Welcome to ClearTask. If your Telegram app is cluttered with too many channels and you want to clean it up quickly, you are in the right place. Today, I am going to show you a fast and easy way to bulk delete or leave multiple Telegram channels all at once. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you are on the main chat interface, you will see your entire list of active chats and channels. To start the process, simply long press on any channel that you want to leave. You will notice a green check mark appear next to it, which indicates that the channel is now selected. Now, here is how you do it in bulk. Instead of deleting them one by one, you can simply tap on all the other channels you wish to leave. Keep selecting as many as you need and each one will get that same green check mark. Once you have selected every channel you want to remove, look at the top of your screen. You will see a delete icon, which usually looks like a trash can. Tap on that delete icon. A confirmation window will pop up to ensure you want to leave these specific channels. Just confirm your choice by tapping delete or leave channels. And that is it. Your work is done and you have successfully cleared out your unwanted channels in just a few seconds, keeping your Telegram feed clean and organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, please drop a like and make sure to subscribe to ClearTask for more fast, direct, and professional tech guides. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.